Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy CyberGhost cheaper. You will see it's very easy. So to access the CyberGhost website, I invite you to use this link, which is displayed on the screen, vpn-club.com/cyber. You will also find it in the description under this video. This is not a coupon code per se, but a special link. So by visiting this link, you will be redirected to this special page. As you can see, there is a special offer, CyberGhost at just $2.15 per month. That's an 83% discount. This offer also includes 3 months free, as well as CyberGhost 45-day money-back guarantee, so you can sign up with your eyes closed. I'll talk about that guarantee a bit later. I click on Get CyberGhost VPN to access the pricing page. As you can see, there is a 1-month plan at $12.99 per month, no discount, quite expensive. Then there is a 1-year plan at $3.95 per month, for a total of $47.40. That's more interesting. Then there is a 2-year plan at $3.15 per month for a total of $75.60. That's even more interesting. Finally, a 3-year plan at $2.15 per month for a total of $83.85, an 83% discount. As mentioned before, this plan includes 3 months free, a very interesting offer. This is simply the best deal. You can't find CyberGhost cheaper right now. So, a high-quality VPN like CyberGhost at $2.15 per month, that's a great deal. CyberGhost is one of the best VPNs on the market today. You will benefit from all the advantages of CyberGhost. Browse and download anonymously, protect your privacy, bypass censorship, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. You will of course have access to all the features of CyberGhost. Over 7,500 servers in 91 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Russia, Japan, and so on. No speed limit, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy of course. This means that they do not keep any activity or connection logs, so they don't log your IP addresses, browsing history, metadata, and so on, unlike other VPNs. Apps available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. It is also possible to use it on a smart TV. I personally use it on Android TV. Up to 7 simultaneous connections, which is quite a lot compared to other VPNs. Military-grade encryption, kill switch, split tunneling, DNS leak protection, lots of protocols, OpenVPN of course, but also IKV2 and WireGuard. Customer service available 24/7. I'll do a quick demo. Here is the app, which is quite nice. This is a minimized version, and if I click here, we can see the full version. I can choose a country from which I want to simulate a connection from this list. I choose a country, the US for example. You can see that there are several locations in the US. I select a location, I click here, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds. Done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. There are even servers optimized for streaming, others for torrenting, others for gaming. CyberGhost is a great VPN, it should meet most of your needs. As mentioned at the beginning, CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact their customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 45 days after sign up. Otherwise, it will be too late. To summarize, to buy CyberGhost cheaper, simply visit vpn-club.com/cyber, the link displayed on the screen, to take advantage of a special offer, 83% off on the 3-year plan, so just $2.15 per month. This offer also includes 3 months free, that's a nice bonus. I want to clarify that this is an affiliate link, and if you sign up to CyberGhost using this link, you will help fund the channel, which will allow us to continue to provide you with this type of content. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to buy CyberGhost as cheaply as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and we will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks, and see you next time.